Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, for those of you that don't know. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm not doing nothing, just got out of the shower, sitting on the floor in the living room, just relaxing. Don't mind the background. Okay. These are, let's see what we got. First thing that I got was this buffalo check rug, because I couldn't find one anywhere. I couldn't even find one at Hobby Lobby, so I had to order it off Amazon. So I got that. Everything in this video is from Amazon, by the way. So I haven't learned how to link anything, so in my description I just put what stores I've got things from, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty self-explanatory. I did get these. They're they're Ray Dunn inspired vinyl stick things. They're not things, they're, you know what I mean. But they're, let's see, this is the number on there. And I just got, there's 4 of these, and then there's 1 of these. I don't know if you can see the number. So I got these. And then I ordered these. There was a set of 4 of these. This one said, "Please remain seated." No selfies. Wash your hands. Hello, sweet cheeks. So I got these for my bathroom because there's that. I hung a thing up next to my. I always say thing, and I'm sorry. I hung a little wood. It's like a wood pitcher, and it has a little bird saying and thing on it with some floral, and I wanted to change that out, so I got these. And those are the numbers for them. I don't know if you guys can see those or whatever, but if you can't, they are on Amazon. I don't know what's in this box, so let's open this box. These are too cute, guys. Like, how cute are those? The buffalo check gnomes, her and him, and they can sit up like on a shelf. That's what I plan on doing. I always keep saying like makeovers for this room, makeover for that room, but really it's the first. I don't know what should I say down in the comments, like, you know what I'm saying? Because we moved in, we've been here for a month and a couple weeks, so I don't know why I keep saying makeovers. I don't know, it's just so many YouTubers I watch, but I got my top 10 favorites that I watch a lot. So I got these. And I don't know if you guys can see that, if it'll focus, but they're the chef gnomes, so I got those. And I ordered some lamb's ears, four of those, to go in for a tier tray that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a decorate tier tray. So I got those, and I'm pretty sure y'all already know how to order lambskin off of Amazon. Yeah. This is an unbox and haul with me, guys. I know I'll be doing videos and my husband's like, what are you doing? And I'm just like, shh, be quiet. Okay, first thing, let's show these. So I got 2 of these. And then these are black hooks that go on them. And I got this idea because I watched, her name's Marina on Fearfully Created. Love her channel, by the way. She has these. And I just, I thought they were so cute. And I'm just like, man, those are cute. So I ordered the wood pieces. And then I ordered the lanterns separate. So I got 2 of these. And then a set of 2 of these. To go above my fireplace. It's a non-working fireplace, but it's a fireplace. Which that's a whole nother video. I ain't even got to the living room, my daughter's room, the kitchen, the pantry, the organized fridge with me. Like, I have tons and tons of videos coming. And I just wanted to say that I don't decorate for Halloween. Like, even when I was a kid, I never really got into it. I like seeing, like, all my grandbabies and my nieces and nephews and all that, because we have a big family. I have 8 grandkids, so from the ages 10 to 1. So, I mean, I love seeing them all cute and stuff and all that. But other than that, besides me, like, I'm going to do a trunk or treat. I'm going to decorate my trunk. I'll probably video that. It's for my daughter's church. So I'm going to do that. She goes to a different church than me. I go to a Catholic church on Sunday because my husband is Catholic. My mom's Catholic. I'm not Catholic, but I like Catholic churches. But I love God in general. And I ordered these set of 2 Ray Dunn hand towels. This one says love, and this one says family. And then that's the numbers. Hold on. Let me see. Can you guys see that? You guys probably can't even see it. You're probably like, what is she doing? But those are the numbers. But this was in the Ray Dunn collection on Amazon as well. And I told you I got those lambskin ears because I'm going to do a tier tray. So I ordered, actually I think I ordered like a lemonade one for the next summer because I have a whole bunch of stuff for that. And then I got this. This came as a set of 5. Home eat milk. Y'all, how cute is that? Farm Sweet Farm. And then this is adorable. Yeah, that was really, I thought it was really cute. My husband was like, what did you order? I'm like, nothing. By the way, he's at work, so got those. Okay, let me see. It's 5-piece Farmhouse Hinge shelf set. And then Those are the numbers. I don't know how you guys link all this. I'll go in someone's link and look in their description. It's like, whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. This is this brand right here. I thought this was so cute. This is not Ray Dunn. This looks like Ray Dunn, but it's not. I can get it up out of here. Get it up out of here. They got it stuck in there. They got it all, but this is kind of like a, you know, and it has the little quirks. And this is, they got it stuck in here with some, hold on. I guess so it don't come out while they're shipping it, but yeah, I don't know what the heck that was. How cute is that, guys? And this is made by the brand Mud Pie. I do have a soap and dish soap. It's in my kitchen. You'll see it when I do a video on my kitchen. But I got that. And this is, it's not Ray Dunn, it's Mud Pie. This is super cute. Phoenix. She just got scared. I'm trying to find the numbers to it. I don't know what I did with the numbers at all. Don't you just love Amazon? I'll be on there shopping. Next thing I know, my husband called me from work and he's like, what are you doing? I'm like, shopping on Amazon. He'd be like, oh my goodness. And I'm like, yeah, I know. And I got a set of 3 of these. Set of 3 of these. They're all different. There's this one. This one. And then let's see if I can rip this tag off here. That's the numbers to those. The last box, I don't know what's in here. Well, I got an idea, but I ordered quite a bit of stuff. That was actually in my cart. I told him, I said, yeah, I got 43 more things in my cart. He was like, no, you don't. I said, yes, I do. Okay. I got this throw. Here's the number before I open it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But let's open it up. Ooh. Y'all, this is so comfortable. This feels nice. Have you ever noticed when you order stuff on Amazon, you think it's all big, the way they make it look, and when you get it, it's like small? Look at how pretty, and it's so cozy. It's like 3 different shades of gray, and looks like there's, I don't know, it makes it like when you move it, it makes it look like there's some black in it or whatever. Let me throw it up here. You can see it. No, I'm playing. Like that. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. This little kit is also made by Mud Pie. Y'all, it is so cute. How cute. Like, oh wait, it goes like this. That is so cute. Looks like the, so yeah, not salt, not pepper. When you get on Amazon, you're like, oh, I like this, I like this, I like this, I like this. You don't even really know what to choose from, so you're just throwing stuff in your cart. I done deleted stuff, added it back. And then the same curtains I have in my dining room, and then my bathroom, video that I did or whatever. I was going to say makeover again, but my bathroom video that I did, I had to order another set because I used the ones for in here. By the way, guys, that's just a paper blind. That's not going to stay. That's just temporary. So I had to order another set of those for in here because I wanted to keep the same curtains that was in the dining room and the living room. So I ordered another one of those. Those are expensive, y'all. Those were $70. They're all white with the shears in front of them, but they're blackout as well. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I ordered this little lantern off of Amazon. It's for tier tray. It's for the tier tray. And pretty sure you guys know how to order a little lantern off of Amazon. Got something. Here's something else. Oh, actually, I ordered two of them. I ordered two of them, so I'm not even gonna open that one. And this is the last thing, y'all. This is also made by Mud Pie. The thing I was telling, I've always said the thing. People are like, why she keep saying that? But I'm not used to the camera yet like you guys. I mean, I'm being myself right now, for real. Like, I'm trying. It can't be any other way, I wouldn't think. I'm just talking to myself. I'm talking to y'all. No. Okay. I'm about to show this to you guys. It's adorable. Okay, maybe this goes over here. This is also made by Mud Pie. And it's your vinegar. It says oil. It's just for looks. It says bite, dunk, and dip. It looks like Ray Dunn, but it's not. It's Mud Pie, and it is expensive, y'all. But that's the last thing I got from Amazon. But that's all I have for today. I am waiting on some more stuff from Amazon, so I'll probably have another video. But until then, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. My Instagram is GallagherJessica55. I'm over there as well to let y'all know that I got a video coming up that day. But yeah, so if you want to come hang out with me and you want to see a lot more stuff, because I'm going to have tons more stuff. I know my content's not that great. My editing skills ain't all that. But I'm getting there. I'm just being me. This is me, Jessica. So from now, I'm going to say good night because it is 9:30 at night. So for now, bye guys.